Hey everyone, I will be showing you how to create a profitable business with printable flashcards for kids using AI. In today's video, I've got something exciting to share with you. We will be revealing an underrated product that is making an impressive 260,000 in sales with minimal competition. Stick around because I will guide you on how to kickstart a similar business using the power of AI. From generating ideas effortlessly to designing professional products, I've got you covered. And make sure to watch till the end because I've got a trick that will make you stand out and increase your earnings. But before we dive into things, if you have an interest in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and discovering how to use them proficiently, you are in the correct spot. This channel is committed to delivering informative content and user-friendly tutorials. We kindly ask for your support by considering a subscription. So, let's get started. Let us dive into the exciting world of printable flashcards tailored specifically for kids' education. These remarkable educational tools provide a captivating and interactive approach to learning, skillfully bridging the gap between vibrant images and pertinent vocabulary. The range of topics covered by these flashcards is vast, encompassing an array of subjects like animals, geometric shapes, numerical concepts, and a kaleidoscope of colors. As we venture into this market, we observe a burgeoning demand for printable flashcards. And intriguingly, the competitive landscape remains comparatively unexplored. The stars have aligned, presenting us with a golden opportunity to leap into this promising realm of child education. A cursory search for flashcards on Etsy unveils a thriving ecosystem where creative entrepreneurs are ingeniously marketing their specialized flashcard sets. The diversity of offerings is nothing short of astounding. You will encounter vendors peddling flashcards featuring exotic jungle creatures, others enticing you with the tantalizing world of fruits, and some even delving into the enchanting universe of forest-dwelling animals. The potential to generate revenue within this business concept appears to be limitless. A tantalizing glimpse at the customer reviews accompanying these listings reveals a pattern of consistently glowing feedback, an encouraging omen for those looking to embark on this venture. In this burgeoning landscape of education and creativity, the prospects for success are indeed luminous. For those of you who might be feeling a bit overwhelmed about where to begin your journey to the world of printable flashcards for kids, fear not. Technology is here to lend a helping hand. One fantastic resource at your disposal is ChatGPT. It is a powerful AI-driven tool that can be your compass in this creative endeavor. Just head over to ChatGPT and request it to generate 20 unique niche ideas for printable flashcards tailored to children. You will be amazed by the diverse and imaginative concept it can offer. From this abundance of ideas, you will have the enjoyable task of selecting the one that aligns best with your interests and aspirations. In the context of this video, I have opted for the solar system niche, a decision that holds the promise of being truly exceptional. With your chosen niche in hand, the next step is to harness the brilliance of ChatGPT once more. This time, you can solicit its creative prowess to craft 10 mesmerizing flashcard ideas tailored for kids aged 3 to 10 within the chosen niche. In our case, the vast cosmos of the solar system. ChatGPT, with its ingenious algorithms and vast database, will weave together fascinating ideas and provide concise yet captivating descriptions for each one. This step will not only save your precious time, but also ensure that your flashcards are designed to be engaging and educational for your target age group. So, get ready to embark on this celestial journey of creativity with ChatGPT as your trusty co-pilot. Armed with your flashcard concepts, it is time to embark on the journey of crafting your product. To bring your ideas to life, you can harness the power of AI image generation, and a standout choice for this purpose is Leonardo AI. The process involves breaking down your request into 3 distinct components: the subject, the style, and the level of customization. Let us consider a scenario where you are crafting flashcards centered on planets as the subject matter. You would specify the subject as Planet Mercury, 3D style, 4K, given that our target audience is kids, opt for a 3D style character. In terms of customization, set a 4K resolution to ensure superior results. Once you have configured these parameters, simply press the Generate button and you will be presented with a remarkable character. Replicate this process for other subjects as well, and remember to save these designs on your device for future use. Now that you have your illustrations in hand, utilize the user-friendly and free tool Canva to craft your printable flashcards. Begin by searching for a suitable flashcard template within Canva's extensive library and select the one that aligns with your vision. Proceed to upload the illustrations you have created using Leonardo, seamlessly replacing the placeholder images within your custom designs. Don't forget to update the labels to reflect the names of the planets. Once satisfied with your creation, save it as a PDF for easy distribution. As you study your competitors closely, you will notice that the majority of them offer their flashcards exclusively in PDF format. To distinguish yourself in the market, consider providing an additional complementary offering, such as coloring pages within the same thematic niche as your flashcards. Employ AI to generate these supplementary resources effortlessly. By incorporating these value-added elements, you will not only attract a larger customer base, but also heighten your prospects for successful sales. With these steps completed, you are poised to embark on your journey, generate diverse designs, and showcase them on Etsy, setting the stage for potential success. I am eagerly anticipating your feedback. Are you planning to embark on this creation of flashcards for children? Did the process of utilizing these AI tools for creating flashcards live up to its promise of accessibility and user-friendliness? Your insights, experiences, and opinions are invaluable. So please don't hesitate to share your comments below. Your unique journey and perspectives can serve as an illuminating guide for those considering a similar venture, igniting their own enthusiasm for generating passive income through the use of these AI tools. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.